never been better. Living real, real good. Let me show you. I'm living real, real good.
Some of life's greatest moments only happen once. That's why we hold on to the present as long as we can. We savor the life in every step, cherish the beauty in every milestone, and consume ourselves with all the little firsts that stay with us forever. From the first day, to the first laugh, to the first time he sees the world like you. This is a time where time is most precious, and you should be able to savor it all. With an infant car seat designed to get you safely from day 1 to year 2, you can spend more time enjoying your little one, with one less worry in the way. Because in the midst of this thing we call parenthood, there's comfort in having something you can hang on to. And we believe firsts should last.